How to fix Chatgpt. Access denied, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just open your browser, and then once you're here, click the 3 points and then click settings. And now after that, just go to privacy and security and then click clear browsing data, and here you will find all time. Now just and select all of those and then select cookies and other sites data and click clear data. And after that, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and that's it. You will find that your problem is fixed, and if that doesn't fix it, now just try to open another browser like Microsoft Edge or something like that, and then try again with another account, and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.